Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can edit PDF files online with a free PDF editor tool. Here you can go and type PDF file edit online, and here you will get different websites and online tools where you can easily edit your PDF files. So let me go here on Sijda.com, and after that now you can simply upload a PDF file. Let me go here and then select the file. Now scroll down, and here you can see all the text available in your PDF file. So now if you want to change any text, for example, let me add here something, and after that click on apply changes, then click on the button keep, then click on the button download. So in this way you can easily edit text in your PDF files with a free PDF editor tool.